Ebenezer nnem, Ebenezer nnem, Ebenezer nnem. Only you are come. Ebenezer nnem, Ebenezer nnem. Onye na-eme mma, Ebenezer nnem. Aka na-agwọ ọrịa, only you are come. Ah, no come.
Akpụ bụ ego ole? Thomas bụ fufu.
Akpụ m. Oh, okay, fufu. Nwoke ọcha. Fufu na 300.
Eso?
Small. You know na Nigeria.
300
for one.
Ha. You know gala.
Gala. You know one fufu again.
No, no one fufu again. Hey,
Nigeria don't eat to head one side. Now two be one.
Bring two now. Two. How much?
The two. 150. Two of them 300.
Okay, take them easy now. How about?
That's why I take buy. That's why they take sell. Nylon. If you want nylon, it's nylon na 350. Nylon na 50 naira.
Give me for hand.
So, hey. Ebenezer nnem, Ebenezer nnem, nnem Ebenezer only you are kaka Ebenezer nnem, Ebenezer nnem, only you are kaka Ebenezer go black like the owner. Who are you? Ebenezer nnem, Ebenezer nnem, Ebenezer nnem, only you are kaka. Oh, Ebenezer nnem, only you are kaka.
Come on.
Ebenezer nnem. Hey, Nna.
Come on.
How are you?
Hello, Wena.
Yeah, kwanu we mo no tero.
Hello, come on.
Nwa m. Magori agha.
Adumasa.
Galu.
Achọ m nwa aka. Megodi mu tankran.
Town crier.
Tankran make na make na akpọ komkom.
Enwede m town crier make. Onye nwere 3 crown. I no get town crier. Onye nwere 3 crown.
Oh, 3 crown. Ego ne.
How the English on araga, huh? English they had you sometime, Abi. It's not your fault.
Okay, go then.
Na 500 naira for 3 crown.
And one carton.
Na 1 trailer. Na 1 trailer.
Okay, you know come men are doing.
Na 500 naira. Okay, you know they Nigeria. Everything.
3 crown on kete.
3 crown 500. That's why I take. Aga yoza ihe kita biko. Business now. Wow. Are you serious? Hey. Okay. Okay, thank you.
Okay, them
Ofu
3 crown.
3 grand don't add money on a 700.
The blood of Jesus.
The call I just answer now from market.
Okay, I do any bad thing. You know, if you are not 500.
Okay, talk say na 500 when you come before. But as I call now, things don't add money. My pikin husband when they buy things for me, they market. He don't come in and say 3 grand don't put money. So na 700.
You don't go see me for a shop again.
I am not even.
Because somebody are gonna go as they come back. I don't like them. You don't go see me for a shop again.
Okay, now president you go shout for, not shout for me. Oh, shout for dollar, make it go down. You know what? Any shout where you go shout na for. Hello, Ogo.
Okay. Okay, bring the 3 crown.
No, 1,000 now.
Bring and come now.
1,000 naira. Don't add money.
Okay, but now 700 tell me no. I could say 1,000.
I tell you 700. That bakam. That 2 step where you take off. Piam warrior. And if you take another one, Nigeria will be 2,000. Now so Nigeria be now. Everything don't add money.
Bring bottle water.
500. Small one.
Bottle water.
500.
What are they say 150? Okay.
Bottle water na 500. Pure water na 200. One.
Rakomoya.
Hello, Ogo. You go plan say tell me say no can no tell you.
Bring the 3 crowns.
I will call you back. Oh, thank you. You see?
The 3 crowns.
The milk.
The milk.
Only milk. One or two.
Only one now. How much?
Only one waterproof with nylon now 1,000 or
I will
150.
put that for my pocket.
Yeah.
Take. Oh, your money, give me milk now.
Hold on. Hello? Hey, Ogo. Huh? Thank you. Hey! It makes small, make my market vanish. Thank you. Hey! Okay, no, the thing don't add money now, 2,000 now. See, my in-law just called me now. So the thing don't add money, 2,000 naira.
Okay, see, yeah, I want to provoke you. Nobody only your shop that they buy me for this street, oh.
Nigeria, the more you shout, is the more you increase the...
Okay, tell me 1.5.
Bring down your voice 1.5 before. After the call, 2,000. I don't go steal. That's how they take by.
Okay, you don't do. Give me the shine 2 pack. Give me pure water 5 pack.
The shine water.
2 pack bottle water. Pure water 5 bags.
Me will give you. I don't go sell past 1 bottle.
Now my money, I go give you money now.
Okay, I don't sell 2 pack. I go give you 2 bags of pure water. 5 bags. Now I give 2 pack of milk shine. Now 1 bottle. I no fit sell them. If I carry and give you, now give for. Yeah. Hold on. Hello, Uncle Sunshine. From the Shine Company, Huh? Hey! Naso? Oh, wow. Okay, thank you for the information. Thank you. You see, the water safe I want to give you. Water Ariala. A pack of the Shine premium water. A pack is now 3,000. Pure water, 1 pack. So everything they go high by the day. Now Nigeria we not go kill ourselves. We not go kill ourselves. And the more you shout is the more you high your BP.
I no shout again now. No shout now.
Bring down your voice now.
What is the cheapest thing you get for your shop?
The cheapest thing I get here now. And waterproof. Nylon go they take put something.
Why they use nylon do can?
Man, I got baji and 1 minute. Oh baby, sweet. I get all this kind. This sweet. This one's now 150 for 1. Children know they leak. So anybody will get children where they leak on a territory. Paramini Olubo Padua Hanon. As you could now, Olubo now, Bobo, no everything don't company where they do themselves. And that who's used. So many companies will fold because of the economical situation of Nigeria. Nothing where they as it did before. See me now where they say my shop before food. This time if you carry 1 million naira enter market. Now just small water, 2 waterproof, now you go carry the come back. Nigeria don't spoil. So go now say now turn. Don't reach na turn, everything don't spoil. So I'm gonna get bowl wine.
You give me soap.
Which of the soap?
Ever soap.
Ever soap. Ever soap why get? Now 850.
Agaola. No buy. Hold the money. No buy.
No go send people, make they come beat me, collect money. Because where they go. Not me be president too. Come collect your money or not be tomorrow now. You go tell them say, nah for my shop here you live your destiny. Come collect and go. As I take buy, now so I take sell. Oh. Not be me cause I'm oh. Before now here they come buy something. Hello go. 3 crown. You don't put money again. 3,000 for 1 pick milk. When they say my goat go they produce milk for me this time around though. I got na pizza man.